chapter 97. A song of praise to the sovereign Lord. Verse 1. The Lord reigns. Let the earth rejoice. Let the multitude of isles be glad. Verse 2. Clouds and darkness surrounds him. Righteousness and justice are the foundation of his throne. Verse 3. A fire goes before him and burns up his enemies round about. Verse 4. His lightnings like the world. The earth sees and trembles. Verse 5. The mountains melt like wax at the presence of the Lord. At the presence of the Lord of the whole earth. Verse 6. The heavens declare his righteousness, and all the peoples see his glory. Verse 7. Let all be put to shame who serve carved image, who boast of idols. Worship him, O you gods. Verse 8. Zion hears and is glad, and the daughters of Judah rejoice because of your judgments, O Lord. Verse 9. For you, Lord, are most high above all the earth. You are exalted far above all gods. Verse 10. You who love the Lord hate evil. He preserves the souls of his saints. He delivers them out of the hand of the wicked. Verse 11. Light is sown for the righteous, and gladness for the upright in heart. Verse 12. Rejoice in the Lord, you righteous, and give thanks at the remembrance of his holy name. Amen.